All right, once again, very, very easy stuff for you advanced learners, very easy stuff for the advanced people, and maybe for you intermediate learners, some of these might be new. Okay, so the first one is namilit, right? So nanamilit comes from the root word panamilit, and panamilit means farewell or goodbye, right? But if you want to conjugate this, remember, right, to bid somebody farewell or to bid somebody goodbye or tell them goodbye, you can say nanamilit, oh, nanamilit, or manamilit nako, I'm going to bid, I'm going to bid a farewell. Manamilit nako. Sari-sari is a convenience store, so you'll see a lot of these sari-sari stores, right? They just sell a bunch of convenient, weird junk, right? Whatever, right? The 24-hour stores, convenience stores, little stores, mom and pop shops, whatever, right? All of that, sari-sari. Prutas is bunga. Utanon is gulay. Balatong is also a batong, remember? But that la infix, right? Remember that la infix. Again, more research needs to be done, but we will talk about this in the advanced series. Balatong is a string bean, like the really long string beans that you can use to make dishes like pinakbet. Pinakbet is one of those dishes. But yeah, or any other species of those green beans. Uh, Pantalon are calzones, right? Pantalon is calzones. Sando is a sleeveless shirt. Camisin is an undershirt. Now, this is just like any typical undershirt. A sando can also be a type of camisin, okay? So a sando can be a type of undershirt, right? But as a sando is just any sleeveless shirt, whether it's not an undershirt or whether it is an undershirt, right? But a sando is a type of camisin. A camisin is just any undershirt. Camiseta is a regular, typical t-shirt, right? Your usual shirts that you see. Corbata is a necktie. Vestida is just like your typical woman's dress that you see. Maybe like they're dressed in an office or dressed to go out to the club, dressed to go in a fancy restaurant, dressed to go to a wedding, dressed to just any typical like dress that you see. A vestida, and it relates to women's, right? Women's dresses. Blusa is a blouse. Palda is a skirt. Kulintas is a necklace, right? Now, kulintas is the standard. Again, I only do the standard words because you'll hear quintas or cuintas or, stuff like that. But kulintas is the standard word for necklace. Pulseras is a bracelet. Arios are earrings. And sing sing is a ring. All right, so this should all just be really easy review.